digital farm. Traditional agriculture cannot resolve the challenges of increased food demand caused by the ever-growing global population, limited resources and climate change. Then there are the losses caused by a lack of accurate information. The solution is the application of digital technologies in agriculture, and the advancement of food production will depend on the rate of adoption of technological innovations. That's why the BIoSense Institute has launched the first digital farm, providing farmers with advanced digital technologies and precise information of crucial importance. All data is collected and processed centrally and then published through the agrosense.rs portal. This service is accessible via mobile phone or desktop computer. Now every farmer has free access to data which can help him apply measures in a targeted way, achieve higher yields with smaller investments and reduced risks, and run a sustainable agricultural production business with higher profits.